Hello, my lovely juniors. This is Ashok, and welcome to ICANN Technologies, the voice of every engineers. And I won't let my juniors down. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and start getting updates on career and jobs. So today we are starting our chapter number 2, that is what is instrumentation technology. As a student, when I am studying instrumentation technology, I will be having always one thing in mind, that sir, what is exactly instrumentation? What is mean by instrumentation technology? So our branch is having any scope in the industry? Sir, leave all that. Tell me what is an instrument, sir. I don't know. Point number 1. What is mean by technology? सर ये टेक्नोलॉजी का जो वर्ड है इसको हम कैसे समझ सके? You mean like what is exactly technology is and how can we learn with entertainment and with the best example? So here it is. Before the invention of mobile, how the lovers used to communicate? मोबाइल है लेकिन अभी कैसे बात कर रहे
హాయ్ డార్లింగ్
చెప్పాలి
నువ్వే చెప్పాలి.
అబ్బా
ఏయ్, ఏమైంది?
దోమకు వచ్చింది.
బ్లడ్ ఏమైనా వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది.
నీదా దోమదా?
Before the invention of electricity, so now one-to-one attack before the technology. But now
అనయా ఈ తొక్కలో మీటింగ్ ఏంటో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. 10 మంది ఉన్నారు, అందరిని లేపేస్తే ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు.
నిన్న కాక మొన్న వచ్చి ఊయంట్రా ఊయంట్రా
ఎప్పుడు వచ్చావును కాదన్నయ్య, బుల్లెట్ దిగిందా లేదా?
the mass killing in the old war system. But now this is very important and very interesting. How our seniors used to copy in the exam.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఉందని రాసింది మర్యాదగా బయటికి తీ. ఏ కృష్ణ వస్తాను.
This is the bloody tech world, the 2022, and you know what our juniors are doing?
無理だ。お前の息の根を止める時が来た。
After watching all these examples, you can easily define what is mean by technology. The technology is nothing but application of science and mathematics practically to make the human life easier. That's it, right? Why I am showing all these examples? Just to tell you what is meant by technology. Because whenever you are learning something, you should always learn with some examples. When you learn with examples, that too in the daily life application, so you will never forget that answer. Now you learned what is meant by technology, right? Now we will see what is meant by instrument. In our daily life, we are using so many instruments and I will show you few of it. Work. I don't like it. But work likes me, I can't avoid. I have to listen to one good song right now. Yes. Today's lunch was fantastic. I want to watch the TV now. Correct. Today I bought new iPod and I want to listen the songs, bro. Yes.
But now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way.
I think now you can define what is meant by instrument in very easy way. So here I am showing. This one is remote, speaker, one selfie stick, and this is an AirPod, and one more thing, the phone, right? So from this I will tell you the definition of an instrument. Instrument is any device or an object which is designed to perform an individual or multitasking work in a practical life, which includes only the physical quantities. Here, why I said only physical quantities? Instruments are designed to measure something. For example, level, flow, or like density, anything. But these are called as the physical quantities. But there are some other quantities which we cannot measure. So that's why I mentioned about the physical quantities. Now I will show you some 2 to 3 examples, very funny, and we will see whether we can measure those or not.
Ben, now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Cat. I'm always angry.
So you saw that these are the like anger, smile, happiness, jealous, stomach burning. We cannot measure all these, right? We can measure only through eyes and their facial expressions, isn't it? Sir, okay sir, we learned what is meant by instrument, but I have doubt exactly what is meant by instrumentation, sir. Now I will give you one simple example where you can understand what is meant by instrumentation. See this phone, I want to know complete information about this, so who will tell me all the details about it? When you want to buy the phone, you will go to one phone shop and that sales guy will tell you what are the features in it, right? What salesman will do is like he will show how to operate the phone, how to on the phone, how to off the phone, and how to fill the memory in it. In case if any problem is there, how to solve it. For example, camera not working, what you should do, and for example charging is not happening, what you should do. Everything is telling in detail. Then I will buy this instrument, right? So it is called as the detailed explanation. Okay, so this instrumentation subject is just like an this sales guy. Okay, what sales guy is doing is explaining about his product, right? So in instrumentation also we are learning the same thing, and this subject explaining us what is mean by instrument and how we define the instrument, what exactly the technology involved in it, and what is the working principle of it. Like this, there are so many things we are learning here. So now I will tell you how the sales guy is explaining about the cell phone. Same likewise, this instrumentation subject also teaching us something. So now we will see what is mean by instrumentation. Instrumentation technology. It is a branch of engineering that talks about the first point, specifications of the instrument, working principle of the instruments, application of the instruments, measurement and controlling of the process variables, designing and implementation of the system, finally installation, calibration and measurement of the system. So by thinking about all these, we can say it as like all the instruments which are used in the industries for the manufacturing and the production. So now we can easily define what is mean by instrumentation, right? In the next video I will give you one simple example about the weighing machine. Okay, weighing machine we are using in so many applications, but if instrumentation technology teaching us about the weighing machine, what all it will teach us and what all the information it will give us, that I will explain in my next video. Okay, now we can move to the what is mean by automation. Before telling about the definition of automation, first we will see one video.
Playing jazz.
Playing jazz.
Smoothie.
Making smoothie.
Calendar.
No meetings today. Remember, dentist at 9:30.
Fire off.
Fire off.
Open door.
Door open.
And we're gonna do one more.
Oh yeah. Open door.
Wrong voice command.
Open door.
Wrong voice command.
Open. Open door.
Repeat that.
Open door.
I didn't understand that.
Hey! Open door!
Play on the floor.
Get over the door! Open the door!
Wrong voice command. Error.
Hey there! With a rock? Open door. Open door. Higher.
Higher volume.
Higher.
Higher.
From this we can define what is mean by automation. Automation is a technique to make a process run automatically and reduce the intervention of labors and to increase the accuracy and efficiency of a system. It means if there is no automation, we have to invest so many labors in the industry which is costing more, and also if man is doing some work, definitely there will be some mistakes. In order to avoid this all the things, we are using the automation in the industry because they are giving us accuracy and efficiency and also the good production on time. So the final one, why is automation engineering is called as the heart of the industry? It is very simple and there is only 2 points. First one, it has access to every part of the plant. Second one, it can control and monitor the all the parameters in the plant. So it is just like the whole brain, how it is thinking. The full automation system we call as DCs and PLC, whatever we programmed that, it will check each and every parameter and it will take the action, and any device in the industry, it will take the correct action to make the process run automatically, and from this only the production will be good, and finally the accuracy of the plant, and you can say it as the production will be the random, and also we will get the some fast production also. Like this, there are so many things about the automation, Some examples are like if you are in the oil and gas, we are producing in oil, we will be having one distillation system, for example. So here we are giving input as a crude oil and we are getting so many outputs from it. For example, when we heat an crude oil, we will get petrol, kerosene, diesel, paint and Vaseline. There are so many products of it. So it should come at every different temperature. For example, petrol is extracting at some temperature, diesel, kerosene, these are all having the different temperature. Okay, so like this it will maintain the exact data of the whole plant, and like the process will run automatically without any disturbance. So this is why automation is called as the heart of the industry. And in the next video we will see about like how a project is carried out. In all my videos I am just explaining about the brief information about all the things, because when we get into the programming you will know and like you can understand each and everything. Okay, now in the next chapter number 3 we are discussing about how is a project carried out. It means when you enter any automation company, how the project will start and how the project will end. You should know everything about it. We'll give some we'll talk about some brief information about it. Okay, now we will glance at some important points of the today's video. So here is the definitions. We will meet again in the next chapter. So till then, see you. Bye bye.